Hi, my name is Sarah, and I live in Northeast Wisconsin. I took Al's course about 6 weeks ago, and I just finished setting up my second furnished unit. I've been a landlord for 17 years. I have 23 apartments of my own, and I manage another 9, and this is a game changer for me. I've been thinking about doing furnished rentals for a couple years now and just never pulled the trigger. Didn't think I lived in an area where the need was great enough. Al walked me through step by step how to find the need for furnished rentals in your area, how to price them, where to advertise them, what to include in your unit, what not to worry about. I highly recommend his course, especially in this time of COVID-19. He's very active on the Facebook group, handing out pointers daily. Will answer any question you have one-on-one. I highly recommend it.